If you feel drained after being around people, while others seem more energized, this is not a personality flaw. Your brain is processing something differently. And once you understand this, a lot of things about yourself will start to make sense. Think about this for a second. You can sit with people, talk, laugh, and respond normally. Everything looks fine on the outside. But inside, there is a quiet countdown happening. You are slowly getting tired. Not physically, mentally. And the longer it goes, the more you just want space. Not because you hate people, but because something in you is getting overwhelmed. Then you finally leave. And the moment you are alone, it feels like relief. Like your system can finally reset. If you have experienced that, this is for you. Most people think this is about being introverted or shy. But that explanation is incomplete. Because there are people who are not shy at all. They can talk, express themselves, and even enjoy conversations, but still get drained. So what is really happening? The answer is in how your brain handles stimulation. Social environments are highly stimulating. There are voices, expressions, reactions, and subtle social cues. Your brain is tracking all of it. For some people, this feels energizing. Their brain filters it quickly, responds fast, and stays in the moment. But for others, the brain does something different. It does not just experience the moment. It processes it deeply. Every word, every reaction, every tone is analyzed automatically. And that deeper processing consumes energy. So while someone else is writing the moment, you are processing the meaning of it. That difference changes everything. This is why two people can be in the same room, same conversation, same environment, but leave with completely different feelings. One feels alive. The other feels drained. There is also attention. Some people focus outward. They move quickly, respond instantly, and stay engaged with everything happening around them. Others focus inward. They think before they respond, observe before they engage, and process before they speak. So they are doing two things at once, following the conversation and processing it internally. That double load is exhausting. This is why after socializing, you do not just feel tired, you feel mentally full. Like your brain needs silence to clear itself. You can enjoy something and still feel drained by it. Because enjoyment and energy are not the same. Some people connect through interaction. Others connect through depth and meaning. So what does this mean? Nothing is wrong with you. You are not broken. You are just wired differently. Some people experience socializing as energy, others as information. Which one are you? Let me know in the comments. Because the goal here is not to change how you are. It's to understand it. This is Inner Mind Lab. Where we don't just observe behavior, we understand it.